Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Portuguese flan. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk, and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. For the caramel, have 1 cup of granulated sugar ready. Also, prepare a 9-inch round baking pan and a larger roasting pan for the water bath. These are the essential components for a delicious flan. Next, we'll create the caramel and custard. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Immediately pour this hot caramel into your 9-inch baking pan, swirling it to evenly coat the bottom. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 6 eggs, condensed milk, and evaporated milk until they are just combined. Strain this custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth flan. Now, let's bake our flan. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture over the cooled caramel in the 9-inch baking pan. Place this pan into a larger roasting pan. Fill the roasting pan with hot water, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the sides of the flan pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Once baked, cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Finally, it's time to serve your exquisite Portuguese flan. Once thoroughly chilled, run a thin knife carefully around the edge of the pan to loosen the flan. Place your serving plate upside down over the flan pan. With a quick, confident motion, invert the flan onto the plate. The rich caramel sauce will beautifully cascade over the smooth, creamy custard. Serve this delightful dessert chilled for an optimal experience, enjoying every sweet, velvety bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.